morning, guys. Today is September 29, 2024, and we are here again, the mountain. And the update for today. Look at that. Tagas na ang corn, guys. It's growing na ang corn this side. Another corn. For the second time, this one. My parents are planting for the second time. That area is for my cousin. That's their corn. It's noisy ang gansa, guys. Tara, nagpagabas sila og lubi. Good morning. We live there 4:30 in the morning and we arrived mga 6:20. Ayan. So they're doing a mower here. A mower. Tara, sunrise na. It's noisy, the gansa, guys, the ghost. There's a base tank there, the base tank there in the Polog. Look at father. Nya, kumusta naman, father? Kumusta mos? Okay ra? Kira daw si papa, guys. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Kumusta ang trabaho ni mo diri? Kira? Kumusta? Hello, guys.
Okay. Hi, guys. I'm here in mountain.
I'm here in the mountain. Ayan si father. Export from Dipolo, gi-export siya to do the mower. Mower siya din. Look at that, my cheese nut. Hello, dako na akong cheese nut. Yehey. May gali kay wani pilag mower. Unsa man ni diri rambutan ni mama, aga kong tambis. Hoy, look at that. Look at my cheese nut. Nadako na siya. Tanawa, kahoy na siya, guys. Yehey.
Bangka dito kita na nako, daplin.
Asa? You know, look at their eggplant. Yan. Nahawa. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, mo gay buta nga na dihag bangko. Oh, mag-date mo dia. Oh, di ba? One to. Unya ka ni ka mama.
Tambis
Rambutan ni. Lansones. Mong gali, gibutangan ni mama nga kuan. Nice no, cheese nut.
Rabog na.
Oh.
Pagpangko di sila.
Kaso magpuan ang view dira.
Sa dina okay.
Cover na. Asa man nagnahagbong. Si Suzuki nahagbong. Yan si Suzuki, guys. Uy. Na sila'y purple nga kuan diri, purple. Purple nga corn. Murag wala lagi ni vitamins. Motor ni Ayi, oh. Wow man lagi ni mong motor ye. Di man lagi halata nga kuan. Naka-buy og motor sa Ayi kay nag-work. Asa na tong kuan diri? No more turkey, female turkey, guy. It's dying. It's died. Namatay na ang female turkey. So, nabilin ang male turkey. Uy, no more white. Wala na kay white chicken. Look at the ghost. It's in here in the ano. Look at that. Tereng. Why you are there? You want to go inside? Ha? Mapaakan ka dihag liogan ng iro. Awa dira. Awa. Hoy, sagbot na kayo yung walay. O, tara yung swimming pool. Look at that. Sa mga chicken, guys. Kana na lang ang chicken. Let's check. Kung nagnabay eggs. Wow, look at that. Charan! 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Nice. Let's check over here. Oh, how many white chicken na lang? 1, 2. Because ay hala, cartoon. Gihatag mo din ako ang cartoon. Here. 2 eggs. Here. 3 eggs. Nice. Uy, daking kang iti. Pwede na. Wow! Look at that. Yan ang kwan sa chicken, guys. Chicken nest. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, but this is extra small. Extra small. It's so small. Ah, 2, 4, 6, 7. Here. Another chicken nest. 0. Oops. Ayan. Tag ko na sila. Ready to eat na yun, guys. Look at that. Asag pabo pa. Pabo nga laki. Pabo. Hello, Philippines. Sana sa bukid, guys. It's Sunday today. We are early because there's alaylakad there in the Polog and cannot pass. So we will come here early. Yan. Let's check the piggery. Banaw kayo ang ganso. Tada! Hi, pig! Good morning! Hello! Nagkaon siya guru pa. Hello! One pig over here. Over there. White. Ayan. Eh, nakain. Yung baho. Ayan. Look at here. Ayan ang corn, guys. Ninyong. Ayan. Hello. So, naglaag-laag na sa dadari. We're visiting our parents. Let's visit. So, ang tendera nera, guys. Asang pabo pa der? Asa pabo? Gibalin di ang pabo? Ano mahuktan man na? Ha? Tara na ay binobod rin. Yan ang binobod. Kamanting nagbodbod si mother, guys.